50 weapons, 6 categories, 1 elite unit. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Poland's GROM Special Forces firepower. Starting off with assault rifles and carbines. Heckler & Koch HK416. Short-stroke gas piston keeps carbon and heat out of the action. GROM's primary rifle from Mosul to Kabul. Cleaner operation means fewer malfunctions. Up next, Heckler & Koch HK417. 7.62mm NATO rounds deliver double the energy of standard carbines. Afghanistan's valleys demanded this reach, punches through barriers beyond 600 meters. Next, 6-hour MCX. Field-adaptable rifle that switches between 5.56 and 300 blackout calibers. Change barrels in minutes without returning to the armory. Up next, SIG SG551. Swiss precision meets cold weather reliability. During Euro 2012 security operations, dependability under pressure protected international venues across Poland. Then, Knight's Armament SR-16, premium American craftsmanship for Poland's finest. Smooth operation and exceptional accuracy justify the price when lives depend on flawless performance. Next, Colt M4A1, 5.56mm carbine with direct impingement gas system. The rifle that started GROM's legend in Iraq. 14.5-inch barrel balances velocity with maneuverability. Bushmaster M4. Coalition interoperability demands shared platforms. When working alongside NATO allies, common weapon systems simplify logistics and enable seamless cross-training. FNF 2000. Bullpup configuration puts the action behind the trigger. 25-inch overall length delivers 16-inch barrel performance in a compact package. The next one, Heckler & Koch G36. Reinforced polymer receiver reduces weight to 7 pounds loaded. Integrated optic rail and folding stock suit vehicle-mounted quick reaction forces perfectly. Moving on to submachine guns and PDWs. 6-hour MPX. AR-15 style controls on a pistol caliber carbine. Operators transition instantly from rifle to submachine gun without relearning the manual of arms. Heckler & Koch MP5. Roller, delayed blowback, keeps recoil under 5 pounds. From hostage rescues to counter-terror ops, 900 rounds per minute with pinpoint accuracy at 50 meters. Now this is the FNP90. Top-loading 50-round magazine feeds horizontally. Ambidextrous ejection downward keeps brass from hitting teammates in tight formations during room clearing. Continuing with sniper and precision rifles. Accuracy International AXMC. Operators switch between 338 Lapua, 300 Norma, and 300 Win Mag without weapon replacement. True multi-caliber precision at its finest. Accuracy International AWM 338. Lapua Magnum reaches 1,500 meters accurately. GROM snipers in Ghazni province relied on this British precision. Cold hammer-forged barrel maintains sub-MOA groups. Barrett Mk22 MRAD, 7.62 NATO, 6.5 Creedmoor, or 300 Norma Mag. Operator's choice. Folding stock and adjustable cheek rest adapt to any shooter's body type. Barrett M82A1, 50 BMG semi-automatic rifle, with recoil-reducing muzzle brake. Iraqi Freedom proved its worth against vehicles. 10-round magazine delivers repeated shots at 1,800 meters. Sacco TRG-22. 2-stage match trigger brakes at 2 pounds. 308 Winchester chambering with 5-round detachable box magazine enables quick tactical reloads under fire. Sacco TRG-42, chambered in 300 Win Mag or 338 Lapua for extreme range. Aluminum chassis system with fully adjustable buttstock provides custom fit for each operator. Shitak M200 intervention. 408 Shitak cartridge maintains supersonic velocity past 2,200 meters. Specialized ballistics computer calculates wind and drop in real time for first round hits. Next, LaRue Tactical OBR 7.62, 7.62 NATO, semi-automatic with 18-inch barrel. GROM marksmen transition to this during Afghanistan deployments. 20-round magazine capacity engages multiple targets rapidly. Knight's Armament SR-25. During Afghanistan deployments, this platform provided critical overwatch. Decades of refinement created legendary reliability and consistent accuracy in brutal conditions. Then Heckler & Koch PSG-1, 16-pound precision rifle with adjustable trigger down to 1.5 pounds. Guaranteed half MOA accuracy with match ammunition at 300 meters every time. Heckler & Koch MSG-90 weighs 12 pounds compared to PSG-1's 17. Polymer stock and shortened barrel maintain accuracy while improving tactical mobility for urban operations. Then FB bore, Polish industry supporting Polish operators. Bullpup design packs powerful calibers into compact configurations for urban dominance and close quarters precision. FB Tor, 12.7mm Polish anti-materiel rifle. Made in Poland for GROM operations, 35-pound weight stabilizes massive recoil. Accurate to 1,500 meters against vehicles. Continuing with machine guns. FN Minimi, belt-fed 5.56 with collapsible stock. 200 Rand box provides sustained suppression. GROM assaulters carry these at 15 pounds while maintaining full mobility. UKM 2000P, 7.62 NATO, belt-fed at 700 rounds per minute. 26 pounds with bipod. Quick change barrel prevents overheating during extended firefights. Dillon Aero M134D. 6 rotating barrels fire 7.62 NATO at 3,000 rounds per minute. Electric motor driven, typically vehicle or helicopter mounted, for devastating suppression. The next one, WKM BM, 12.7mm heavy machine gun on tripod mount. 600 rounds per minute effective against infantry, vehicles and aircraft to 2 kilometers. Moving on to pistols. Glock 17. Simple, reliable, lethal. GROM carried these through Baghdad's oil terminals in 2003. This Austrian pistol fires every time without question. Up next, Sig Sauer P226. When GROM stormed Iraq's oil terminals alongside SEALs in 2003, accuracy under pressure mattered. This sidearm delivered surgical precision when it counted most. Sig Sauer P228. Smaller frame, easier concealment. The compact design sacrifices nothing in stopping power when protection details turn violent. Heckler & Koch USP. German engineering with interchangeable components. Operators reconfigure trigger groups, grips, and safety levers to match left or right-handed shooting preferences on demand. Heckler & Koch Mark 23, 45 caliber, stopping power with threaded barrel for suppressors. Designed specifically for special operations forces requiring silent lethality behind enemy lines. FN57 fires 5.7 by 28mm rounds at 2,000 feet per second. Penetrates body armor that stops conventional pistol ammunition cold. Now this is the IMI Desert Eagle. Rarely deployed, always respected. When psychological impact matters as much as ballistics, few handguns command attention like this Israeli beast. Moving on to shotguns. Remington 870. 12-gauge pump action with 18-inch barrel. Fires breaching rounds, buckshot or slugs. 7-round tube magazine. Utterly reliable mechanism under any conditions. Benelli M4 Super 90. Gas-operated semi-automatic with auto-regulating system. Cycles light target loads and heavy 3-inch magnums without adjustment. 5+1 capacity for rapid engagement. Mossberg 500. 12-gauge pump with 8-round capacity and ambidextrous safety. Toolless barrel swap between 18 and 28-inch configurations in the field. Finishing off with heavy weapons and anti-tank. Heckler & Koch GLM. 40mm underbarrel launcher adds 3 pounds to rifle. Single shot, break action design fires HE, smoke or illumination to 350 meters. Heckler & Koch HK69A1. When GROM assaulted the Kayot terminal, dedicated grenade launchers provided precision explosive delivery. Standalone design offers superior accuracy and versatility. RGP-40, 6-round revolver-style grenade launcher. 40mm cylinder fires complete salvo in under 3 seconds. Devastating area suppression weapon for ambush situations. LRM VZ-99, Antos. 60mm mortar weighing only 9 pounds. One operator carries complete system, firing rounds to 1,400 meters for indirect fire support. Carl Gustaf M3, 84mm recoilless rifle, firing heat, HE, smoke or illumination rounds. 17 pounds unloaded, effective against armour to 500 metres. Then, Carl Gustaf M4, reduced to 15 pounds from M3's 22. Programmable sight calculates range, wind and lead for moving targets automatically. Saab AT4, 84mm disposable launcher weighing 14 pounds. Heat warhead penetrates 420mm of rolled steel armour at 300 metres. M72EC, 66mm rocket in collapsible tube. 5 pound total weight. Penetrates 350mm armour. Ideal emergency anti-tank capability. RPG-76 Komar, 68mm disposable rocket weighing 3.5 pounds. Tandem heat warhead defeats reactive armour. Effective to 200 metres. Now this is the Spike LR fire and forget electro-optical missile with 4 km range. Launch, relocate immediately, missile autonomously tracks and destroys target with tandem warhead. Then FGM-148 Javelin, infrared seeker locks onto tank heat signatures. Top attack flight profile strikes thin roof armour where reactive protection is weakest. Up next, Piorun, Polish manpads with infrared and ultraviolet dual-band seeker. Engages aircraft, helicopters and drones to 6 km altitude, 40-degree all-aspect tracking.